Hi viewers, next we are going to discuss about 3D in AutoCAD. First of all, how to change your workspace from 2D to 3D. Here we have the settings. Just click here. Here we have the 3D basics and 3D modeling. Just click on it. Here you just observe all our commands will be changed like this. Box, extrude, meshes, solidity. This is our draw commands and this is our modify commands. These both are common, but here extra three commands are activated here. What is this? Modeling, mesh and solidity. So in 3D view we have to discuss about this. So first of all, these are in 2D only. Why? Because here only seeing our x-axis and y-axis. So in our 3D we just saw our three coordinates. So here you just change the directions like this. This is our northwest. When I click here, the dimensions, the coordinates will be changing like this. Our z-axis is topwards and x-axis is like this, y-axis is like this. When you are changing the northwest to northeast, when I click here, you just observe what will happen here. Yes, what will happen here? Before this, the x-axis and y-axis are changed here and here. Now it will be reversed. So it is in northeast direction. Here you have observed it will be in selected. When I am going to southeast, the coordinates are changing like this. No, I want only west. It is in our west. It is our south. It's our east. And it's our north. Back view, left view, front view and right view. And again here this is the 3D ordinates. So first of all you have to observe the directions in these coordinates. Based upon this we have to draw any type of picture. Okay, here this is our bottom view. So when I click here there is only 2D view. Why? Because in bottom we are seeing only two views only. Along with this I want to change here. When I drag this, it will be changes like this. So when I take southwest or northeast, this is our northeast, it will be like this. When I want to change this from northeast to like this, northwest, and again it will be changes like this. I want to changing this is our view cube. When I change the directions, it will be changes the axis. This is our whole coordinate system. So here, first of all, I want to take any one direction. So in 3D, first of all we have to observe the directions and view cube. After that we have to draw any type of structures. Okay. So next we have to go to the commands, like this is our modeling commands. In modeling commands we have box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge and torus. Here first of all we are coming from box. Here the cursor is changes like this. When I click it, and give it another like this, and again it will be changes like this. In 2D you have to give only one corner and another corner only, but in 3D you first click one corner and go to another corner and give the height also. Here this is in two different structure. When you are going to just click this small arrow mark, conceptual, it will be changes like this. When you are going to hidden, it will be like this. The backside lines are hidden. Just in 2D, there the backside lines are visible. When you are going to hidden, it will be not visible. They are hidden. Next, go to realistic. It will be changes like this. You just observe what will changes when I am changes. It is shaded. And it is shaded with edges. This is shades of gray. And this is sketch. For a sketch there are rough lines are there. So next, wireframe. This is same as 2D wireframe. This is X-ray. So like this we have to change the different types like this. One object to different types. So first I am taking in then conceptual. So it is like this. When I am going to one line command, I am also drawing a one rectangle like this. Just click on escape. Here I want to extrude this. Extrude means this. Just click this and select the object and click on enter. It will be like this. Just click on enter. Again I want to draw a rectangle by using this polygon. So like this. And again I want to draw same rectangle by using polyline. Like this. Now we want to extrude this, then go to extrude option. You just select this and click on enter. The object will be like this. And again take a extrude option and select this, click on enter. It will be like this. Right, these all are rectangles, but when we are giving extrude, they are different types like this. Why? Because this is our direct command box. Shortcut command for box is just click on escape. box box, enter. There is a direct command, no shortcut command. Okay. So for next, for a direct rectangular polygon, the total object will be selected, interior part also extruded. So in line command, when I select a line, so here only one line I selected, that's why it will be extruded only one part of the rectangle. In polyline, the total rectangle will be selected, but the corners of that means the edges are only extruded like this. When I take the polyline, here I want to take extrude. When I select this, the total object will be selected, but the interior part is not taken as extrude option. extrude option for that. Here,
Hi viewers, today we are
when you select the polyline, it will be selected like this. So here, this is also drawn by the polyline and this is also drawn by the polyline. But the object is completely selected and this is not selected. Internal object is not selected. Why? Why? Because if you observe the figure, if you observe this figure, just escape it. Just drag this like this when you want to change the direction. When you observe this figure, here the polyline is not attached. Here there is some break. That's why here the line only selected. When this is completely attached, it will be like our box, extrude like that. Now I am break this and here I want to join this. Here if you again join this, it will be not taken. Why? Because this is only selected by a single selector. So here again you go back and delete this. Again you want to draw a polyline. Now it will be selected as a single click. Now go to extrude option. The object will be okay. After selection of extrude, you just select the object and click on enter. When you draw this line with the polygon and take a extrude option, just select this and click on enter. It will be extruded like this. Complete object will be extruded. When you draw a polyline or a rectangle or a box, it will be like a solid. When you draw a line, it will be selected singly and it will be like this. Okay. Next we are going to cylinder. When you take a cylinder, just give the center point and give the radius. So I want to give here radius as 5 and give the height as 5 like this. For different types of shapes, you have to take the different types also. Here the midpoint will be visible like this and I want to give the radius as 5 and give the cone height as 7 or 8 like this. Just click on escape. Again I want to take a sphere. This is a sphere and give the radius of 4 like this. Like this you want which type of thing also will be taken like this. It will be in any shape, you have to draw easily with this. Like this. If you want any type of modeling will be given and if you want only 2D, after you have to extrude it. That means like this, if you draw a rectangle it will be extruded, it will be like a box. So if you want cylinder, you just draw a cylinder and it will be extruded. It will be coming like this. Like this we have different types of shapes for us in 3D AutoCAD. Next we are going to explain All this loft revolves with extrude, press pull, and all this will be discussed in our next class. Okay, thank you.